Samsung is already gearing up to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra even better. Rumors suggest it will feature a second-generation anti-glare screen. While the S25 Ultra is expected to retain the same 6.8-inch screen size and continue using Samsung's M13 material, the new display is rumored to be more durable and even better at cutting down reflections. S24 Ultra, a tough act to follow. The S24 Ultra already wows with Corning Gorilla Armor Glass, which is scratch-resistant and reduces reflections by a whopping 75%. This means you can enjoy crystal-clear visibility even on the sunniest days. However, according to trusted leaker Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will take things up a notch with second-gen Gorilla Armor Glass. This upgraded glass is said to be tougher, more scratch-resistant, and even better at glare reduction. If true, this exclusive feature could leave competitors like Google and Apple trailing behind in screen technology. Durability concerns addressed? There have been minor durability concerns with the S24 Ultra's screen coating after a year of use. Fingers crossed, the S25 Ultra's second-gen Gorilla Armor addresses these issues, providing a longer-lasting premium experience, sleek design, and powerful hardware. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to debut on January 22, 2025, with sales starting on February 4th. Key highlights include sleek rounded corners, slimmer bezels and flat sides, a new 50MP ultra-wide camera, up to 16 GB of RAM, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance, and let's not forget Samsung's One UI 7 interface, which could redefine how we interact with our devices. Final thoughts: while the hardware upgrades might seem incremental, the combination of next-gen screen tech, improved durability, and refined software could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra the phone to beat in 2025.